Today I will show you how put this into this and how to set up your straps and everything to make it secure. So engine is on. I'm in first gear. I will use mostly the clutch and this is very slippery. Okay, I will give myself a little go. Okay, now you go on the trailer, you push forward, very gentle with the clutch and throttle. I like to let it in the first gear, so the bike is on the trailer now. I will take my big set of straps. So I will begin with the front wheel. Very important to attach your front wheel so it won't slip, and if it slips, all the other straps will become loose and your bike could fall. Very tight. Make sure your bike is center. If not, the trailer could wobble if it's too unbalanced. So I am lucky. I have a crash bar to attach my strap, so I will take it. Otherwise, you can turn around your throttle. You want to take the strap of the bike forward, like this. I always let the side stand open, like this. If the straps ever break or something, the bike will fall on its side stand. You crank this. Your fork will compress. Always align the straps like this when you crank. I will put one strap here in the foot peg hole, passenger pegs. Last strap, there is 5 in total. Same thing here, passenger foot pegs, and we'll attach right here. Good tension. Here too, here too. This is how I like to attach my straps to not catch the wind. I simply do a very simple, I don't know the word, I will write it in the screen, like this. Same thing here, very easy. This is easy and quick like that, just a little more difficult because of the snow and wet tires. Now to remove the motorcycle from the trailer, I will begin to the opposite side of the side stand. This is one. This is two. So the bike is laying on its side stand and other straps are loose. This is 3. This is 4. And the last one. Pretty easy to undo these cords. Okay, so there is no need to start the engine. What I do here, I let the bike in the first gear, and I will use the clutch lever to brake the motorcycle. So very slowly, and I release the clutch. When I release the clutch, the motorcycle is braking from the rear, and I use friction to slow down the yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you at the next one.